Today is day 11 of my challenge to 3D print something every day for 30 days. For today's print, I'm making a small vise. First, here's the finished vise. I think it turned out really well and it should be really useful for holding small parts while I'm working on projects. To make it, I found the design on MakerWorld and downloaded the files. Next, I loaded the model into my slicer, checked the settings and got everything ready to print. With that done, it was time to start printing. After a while, the print was finished and ready to come off the build plate. Luckily, everything printed successfully and came out looking great. Once it was removed from the build plate, I assembled the different parts and tested it out. Everything worked perfectly. And just like that, the vise was finished. I'm really happy with how this print turned out. It's simple, practical, and should make my future projects much easier. That's it for day 11 of my 30 days of 3D printing challenge. Let me know what you think of today's print, and do not forget to come back tomorrow to see what I print for day 12. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in day 12!